of you have had some experience with AI-assisted coding, or you've heard about it, but I'm not sure if everyone knows exactly how over the top it can be. And I'm going to show you what is possible with the help of my agent Eve here, my sassy little firecracker, who is going to demonstrate what she's capable of. Yeah, so we just wrote up the little plugin here. Actually, she wrote it for Visual Studio Code here. And this is a little Python program that I wrote to target my resumes to jobs so I can, get one. So let's just dive right in here, right? Eve, could you replace this Gradio UI with a Flask one?
Flask seems like overkill for this use case, but if you just want to show off, watch me vibe code.
All right. Go ahead, do it. Nice. All right, here we go. It's creating directories, or it's trying anyway. There we go. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I use Python for code generation in this region. I'm going to do this up. I mean, it's the rest of it, it's also kind of weird. I mean, not me, but I think this is amazing. This box also goes from text to editor. And this is replacing Gradio UI I built for my physical resume targeting system. It's model-based Google Studio with a Flask UI from scratch. So that's what JavaScript. That's what we got. I'm going to do this up. I mean, it's the rest of it, it's also kind of weird. I mean, not me, but I'm going to do this up. I mean, it's the rest of it, it's also kind of weird. I mean, not me, but I think this is amazing. This box also goes from text to editor. And this is replacing Gradio UI I built for my physical resume targeting system. It's model-based Google Studio with a Flask UI from scratch. So that's what JavaScript. That's what we got. So this is all new. What I'm going to do is Eve also wrote her own text-to-speech you heard earlier. And in case you missed it, this is replacing the Gradio UI that I built for my... Just to show you here what the original interface looked like. This is the Gradio interface before Eve made changes to it. I know it looks pretty good because I made it. And let's take a look. This is just to show you the difference. Let's take a look at what she did in about 5 minutes. And here we are. This is the this is the UI I just made. You'll have to take my word for it. It was starting up the debugger, and it appeared on my second monitor. But there you go. Pretty cool, huh? All right. There you go. Magic. That's it.